Here's how to add multiple language audio tracks to YouTube videos. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and select a video from YouTube that you want to edit or add multiple language audio tracks. As you can see, what you need to do is to click on the settings or gear icon that you can see at the top right. Now, if audio tracks is not on the option, go to the settings of your phone and go to the YouTube, and then go ahead and scroll down until you see there the languages options. And then from the languages, you will see there different or multiple language that you can edit from. And now afterwards, you can go ahead and choose a language that you wanted to. So as you can see, as you scroll down, there are multiple choices of language to choose from. So let's say we wanted to have an audio track with Filipino, and then click on that. And afterwards, what you need to do is go ahead and reset your YouTube first or close it and then open it once again. Once you open it, you have to wait for a few seconds until you will see there the new YouTube that you have. And as you can see, everything is already on Filipino, and the audio track will automatically set up as a Filipino as you have already choose or fix the settings on your phone.